Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, do we live in a computer simulation? New physics might prove it. Hey, friends of thought experiments and galactic mysteries. Imagine, every single moment of your life, everything you've ever experienced, was part of a massive computer simulation. Sounds crazy, right? Well, science is flirting with this idea, and today, we're diving deep into this fascinating subject together. Our guiding question for today's journey is, what if reality as we know it is an illusion? Dr. Vopson, our navigator through this interstellar secret, has been probing this hypothesis with the law of information dynamics. And folks, it gets wild. Have you ever been fascinated by the concept that information might have mass? Well, Dr. Vopson hasn't just considered it. He's suggesting that everything in the universe, yes, including us, might be information. How does it make you feel to think that we might just be data-driven entities in a cosmic computer program? Spooky? Exciting? Or a bit of both? Dr. Vopson goes even further. His second law of information dynamics might hint that genetic mutations, atomic behavior, and even cosmological patterns are not random but follow a clear, information-driven logic. What if our DNA, the atoms around us, and the entire universe are kind of programmed to minimize information entropy? Isn't it mind-blowing that reality, as we understand it, might just be the tip of the information iceberg? Do you feel more like a player in this universal game, or perhaps more like game pieces? The journey with Dr. Vopson has led us through hypotheses and theories that could make the material of great sci-fi novels. But many questions remain open, and the path to confirming these theories is riddled with scientific challenges yet to be mastered. Would confirming these theories flip our understanding of existence and reality completely, in your opinion? Wow, that was a mind-bender, wasn't it? What are your thoughts? Are you comfortable living in a potential simulation, or is that too out there for you? Dive into the comment section below. Let's discuss, philosophize, and spin the theories further. We're eagerly waiting for your thoughts, and we'll see you in the next video, exploring more mysteries of our existence. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to experience more of such mind-expanding journeys through the universe of science. Till then, stay curious and scientific.